क्लास 8th एसेस चैप्टर नंबर 5 एजुकेशन एंड सोशल सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल पार्ट 2 वर्कबुक का पार्ट 1 में हम लोगों ने किया था मैचिंग तक। तो अब हमारा आया है पार्ट 2। इसमें हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वेर द वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया। आंसर है द वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक तक्षशिला, नालंदा, वल्लभी, विक्रमशिला आर फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज इन इंडिया। Second number, how was the education system when the British arrived in India? Answer है when British arrived in India, a prominent method of education was prevalent in India. Third number, who established school giving Western style education in India? Answer है a priest named Alexander Duff founded Western school in India. Fourth number, why did all educational institutions of India begin to decrease? Answer है as the importance was given to English educated people in jobs, India's old educational institution began to decrease. 5 number, which law was suggested by Gopal Krishna Gokhale to the British government? Answer है in 1912 AD Gopal Krishna Gokhale suggested to enact a law on compulsory primary education but the government rejected. अब आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट कैन बी कॉल्ड द मग्नकर्ता ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन इन इंडिया? व्हाई? आंसर है एजुकेशन विच कैन बी मग्नकर्ता फॉर हायर एजुकेशन एंड स्पेशली फॉर द एजुकेशन ऑफ हिंद वॉज रिफॉर्म्ड इन 1854 AD थ्रू वुड्स डिस्पैच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, बेस्ड ऑन वुड्स डिस्पैच ऑफ 1854 AD इन विच सिटीज वर यूनिवर्सिटीज बेस्ड एस्टैब्लिश्ड? आंसर है आप लोग का बेस्ड ऑन वुड्स डिस्पैच ऑफ 1854 AD यूनिवर्सिटीज वर एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन कोलकाता, मुंबई एंड मद्रास, चेन्नई ऑन द मॉडल ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन। 8 नंबर में है हु एस्टैब्लिश्ड स्कूल फॉर गर्ल्स एंड विडो इन महाराष्ट्र? आंसर है इन महाराष्ट्र महादेव गोविंद रांडे एंड वाइफ रमाबाई and his wife Ramabai Rande established school for girls and widows. 9 number, which significant work related to women's education did Maharshi Karve? Answer है Maharshi Karve established a separate university for women in 1916 AD. 10 number, which girls school did Harkunwar Sethani establish in Ahmedabad? Where? Answer है in Ahmedabad Harkunwar Sethani established a girls school called Chhodiyo Nisal in 1850 AD. 11 number, according to Gandhi, the curriculum of primary education should be of how many years? Answer है according to him the curriculum of primary education should be for 7 years in which the student should be taught various subjects and skills. 12 number, what was Gandhiji's opinion about basic education? Answer है he was opinion that basic education should be self-sufficient and vocational. 13 number, what type of education did Gandhiji advocate for students? Answer है he was an advocate of imparting primary education in mother tongue. 14 number, name Gandhiji's grassroots activists. Answer है many of Gandhiji's grassroots activities set up various ashram and campaigned to education student Thakkar Bapa, Jugatram Dave, Purnima Bahen Pakwasa, etc. 15 number, according to Rabindranath Tagore, how should education be? Answer है according to him, education should be able to develop the child creativity. He believed that the child should be free from the rigorous discipline of education. 16 number, who established the Brahmo Samaj when? Answer है the Brahmo Samaj established by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1828 AD by the can be considered among the foremost. अब आता है 17 नंबर, हु campaigned extensively against child marriage when? Answer है another Brahmo Samaj leader named Keshav Chandra Sen campaigned extensively against child marriage in 1870 AD. 18 number, what did Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar do for the scheduled castes? Answer है Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar fought all his life for the social, education and political right of the scheduled castes. 19 number, how has the evil practices of child marriage been stopped in our country? Answer है due to Keshav Chandra Sen effort the Child Marriage Restrict Act was passed in 1872 AD. This act decided that it was illegal for a boy or a girl under the age of 12 to marry. 20 number, विच ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वाज फाउंडेड बाय दुर्गाराम मेहता। आंसर है इन 1844 AD दुर्गाराम मेहता जी फाउंडेड द मानव धर्म सभा इन सूरत। 21 विच रिफॉर्मर्स ऑफ गुजरात स्टार्टेड एगिटेशन अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड इन सपोर्ट ऑफ विडो रीमैरिज। आंसर है ग्रेट रिफॉर्मर्स ऑफ गुजराती लाइक नर्मद, करसनदास मुगली, माहिपत्रम, रूपराम, Dalpatram, etc. also started agitation against child marriage and in the support of widow remarriage. 22 number. Who established the Ramakrishna Mission? Why? Answer है Swami Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 AD to promote the Ramakrishna Paramhans liberal, religious ideas and spirit of service. 23. What was the main preaching that Swami Vivekananda gave? Answer है Swami Vivekananda mainly preached people to serve and improve society as a whole. 24 number. Of what did Swami Vivekananda become a symbol of a source? Answer है Swami Vivekananda become a symbol of new thinking and a source of great power of the future. ये था आप लोग का पार्ट 2। वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। मिलते हैं जय हिंद जय भारत।